How to remote play on Steam. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can remote play on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So in your PC, first of all, launch the Steam and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, first of all you have to enable the remote play. For that, navigate to top left corner and click on this Steam. From this menu box, click on settings. Once you're on the settings, now on your left hand side there will have an option as remote play. Click on it. Now from here you have to enable this toggle right here in order to enable the remote play. Now on your secondary device, what you have to do is you have to open up the Steam. And if you're on your mobile device, you have to install Steam Link from the Google Play Store and log in with the same account in your PC or in your mobile device on Steam Link. Now ensure both of your devices are on the same network, and then on your mobile device you have to open up the Steam Gleam application or Steam in your PC, and the secondary device will detect your gaming PC. Select it from the list of available devices. After that, a pairing code may appear. Enter it in your gaming PC. So here click on pair Steam Link, and here you have to enter the code shown in your secondary devices. And once connected, you will see your Steam library, and now choose a game to start streaming. Now if you like to optimize your settings in your gaming PC, what you have to do is under this space, head towards the advanced options. And you can add your settings in order to increase your performance. And that's how you can remote play on Steam. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.